Thank you for molding me, for guiding me, and pushing me beyond what I felt.
You see it?
Sa unang tingin agad na humalik sa nanginginig mong mga mata. Ika'y sabit may pinahal sa langit. Di ko mawari ang dadalap tinatami sadya namang nakakabighani. May paliwanag ang nararamdaman. Kamang magkagad ang aking ligaya. Sabing ika'y pamalapit na.
This journey will never be complete without your presence and support. To my handlers, Sir Rexby, and to Sir Briscoe Delacruz, thank you for molding me, for guiding me, and pushing me beyond what I thought I could. You didn't just train me, you believed in me even at the times that I couldn't believe in myself. Sa pamilya ko, kay Nanay Flor, Tatay Ricky, Manang Bibi, Tito Tingting Florencio, and to the rest of my family members, thank you for being my foundation, my strength, and my reason to keep going. To my friends who never fail to remind me of my worth, thank you, Kinsey. To my very supportive girlfriend, thank you for the love, patience, and encouragement. Thank you for standing beside me in every step of my journey, even on the days when I doubted myself. Being a Momoton is not just a privilege, it is a responsibility. A responsibility to represent, uplift, and to inspire. This experience taught me that the true meaning of this title is not just found on the spotlight, but in the impact you make on other people's lives. To the next Momoton, kung sino man ikaw, I will not just pass only this crown and this title. I will pass the responsibility to make a change, to continue the legacy, and to be a man of purpose, integrity, and compassion. To wear this crown with humility and let your journey touch lives. Before we end, I want to leave this message, a message that comes from my heart. When I started this journey, I carried so many doubts, not just the doubts from people, but the doubts inside myself. I questioned if I was not quite deserve this, if I could do it. But tonight, as I stand here, I am proud to say that I choose to believe in myself. I choose to trust in my own worth. I chose to fight for the person I wanted to become. And that is my hope for anyone.